everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing this Operation Right Home sketch number 59, and we're going to be turning it kind of on its side. I decided instead of doing it horizontal, I wanted it to go more vertical. So I'm using the collection from Maze Kit and these peel-offs that I've gotten recently, and I'll make sure to put a link here for my video showing you uh, when I got them in. And I'm just starting with my matte paper, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So I'm going to attach that to the card base, which is an A2 size card. And the A2 size card measurements is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And don't worry about the little bit of glue that I had up at the top, because the base paper is going to really wind up covering that, because when you put on the pattern paper you only get like 1/8 of an inch of the black border paper. So we're using the Doodlebug Hello collection, and this paper, just like any double-sided paper, is really fun to use on sketches because it gives you multiple options of the same design because you're using the different parts of the pattern paper. Like, I love this, really pretty with the flowers. It's very bright and vibrant. And then I took the same paper, cut for the smaller strip, and I'm using the flip side of it. So with the same paper, I got this version where the base paper is the pattern, the flowers, and then we have this really pretty uh, green pattern paper on the back side that we're using. And you'll see on the second card that I show you that I did off camera, I flipped it and did it the reverse way. So now that I got this green piece down, I'm going to take uh, my peel-offs and attach them to each of the sides. And this is like probably the first time in an actual sketch video I'm using these peel-offs I just got, but they are very fun, and I think they give you a little bit of how do I want to say it, like finishing touches without having to do like a matte and add like the thickness of adding more paper. So you can get that feel almost like it's on top of something, but we're just laying the strip right next to the pattern paper. So it looks like it's matted, but it's not, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to save this little piece here because it's a little bit longer than that one I first showed you, because you can always use it in a different way. And then now we're going to attach our focal image that we're using from the cut apart sheet. And I just trimmed my fun foam, and now I'm going to put some glue on it, which is my ATG, and then of course some of the art glitter glue. And this is the side that doesn't have any of the adhesive, so I always like to take that and attach it to the item or the piece that I'm adding to my actual card, or you'll see me do that when I'm doing layouts. And then I'm attaching the focal image, which on this one it's a jar with the flowers. And so for the sentiment, I took from the ephemera that I want to say it's not icons. I think there is like Chitty. Is it, oh, I hate when I move stuff. I had it right in front of me, and now I don't know where it's at. But anyway, if I find the package, I will tell you what it is later. But you can also take a look at that video. But the happy birthday was just perfect. It's bright and cheery, so I think this would be a really fun card for someone to receive as, a birthday present, to go with their birthday stuff. And then on this one, I used the house image and put the congrats above it in the speech bubble. Because, it's like you're saying congratulations on your new home. You don't always need those type of cards, but it's always nice to have one around in case you do, because you never know when you have a friend or family member who gets a new home and you want to share that. A little congratulations sentiment to them. So here are the close-ups of the cards, and I want to just say thank you for joining me again. I will have links at the very end to previous sketch videos, and of course, all of my social media links and everything will be down in the more section. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.